Hello friends, welcome to the class. Today concept we can see how to convert NFA to equivalent DFA. DFA means deterministic finite automata. It has one initial state and one final state, one to one function from one node to another node transition. NFA means non-deterministic finite automata. It has one initial and one or more final state. So this is a difference in DFA. The transition from Q to Q, that is from current state to next state. But in NFA, the transition from Q to 2 power Q, that is current state to final state. NFA to DFA conversion is possible, but vice versa is not possible. DFA to NFA is not possible. Based on this one sum we can see Q naught to Q1, Q1 to Q2. This is NFA. That is Q naught have two states on seeing B, Q naught and Q1. It is NFA. For this, we can write a transition table, delta transition, two input symbol A comma B, Q0, Q1, Q2 are input states. Q naught is the initial state, Q2 is the final state. It is according to the diagram given in the question. Q naught on seeing A, it goes to Q naught. Q naught on seeing A goes to Q naught. B, Q naught on seeing B goes to Q naught and Q1. That only I mentioned here, flower bracket Q naught comma Q1. Q1 on seeing A, there is no transition. So I mentioned pi. Q1 on seeing B going to Q2. Q2 mentioned in a flower bracket. For Q2 there is no transition. So I mentioned pi pi. This is a transition table for NFA. Now we can have transition table for DFA. DFA Q naught initial state Q naught. Here for DFA, it should be one initial and one final state. But here we have two states, Q0, Q1. So I mentioned in a square bracket as a new state. For Q0, we have found that one. We have found the row. For Q0, Q1, we have to find. So combine Q0, Q1. You'll be getting Q0 comma pi. The answer will be Q0. That I mentioned here Q0. For Q0, Q1, for on seeing B, if I combine Q0, Q1, Q2, that I mentioned in square bracket. Now, in second row, Q0, already we have a row. For Q0, Q1, Q2, it is again a new state. So, I am finding for A and B, what are the moves. If I combine Q0, Q1, Q2, I will be getting Q0 comma pi. So union will be, the answer will be Q naught. That only I mentioned Q naught here. For B, if I combine Q0, Q1, Q2 pi, I will be getting Q0, Q1, Q2. For this Q0 already we have found the rows. And for Q0, Q1, Q2 we have found. So there is no more new state. So we can stop the transition table. Now for this I am going to draw transition diagram. Here Q0 initial state. According to the question, Q2 is a final state. So I am marking this as a final state. Q0, Q1, Q2. Marking in two circles. So Q0 one state, Q0, Q1 one more state, Q0, 1, 2 final state, marking in a two circle. Q0 on seeing A, I am going to Q0. So on seeing A, I am going to Q0. Q0 on seeing B, I am going to Q0, Q1. Q0 on seeing B, I am going to Q0, Q1. For Q0, Q1 on seeing A, I am going to Q0. Here marking as A. Again for Q0, Q1 on seeing B, I am going to Q0, Q1, Q2. That is final state. And for Q0, Q1, Q2, on seeing A, I'm going to Q0, that I mark it here. For B, the same self loop. So this is a transition diagram for DFA. So now for conversion of NFA to DFA, from the question we have framed transition table. Again, we have found the transition table for DFA. From the DFA, we have drawn the transition diagram. So this is in this manner we have to convert NFA to DFA. So from NFA to DFA it is possible. Vice versa, from DFA to NFA it is not possible. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any queries, kindly post in a comment box. Thank you. Have a good day.